everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I'm so excited. We're opening up the Card Deck Club by Hay House. This is the second time I've gotten this. This is one I pay for myself. So this is a quarterly or seasonal subscription, and you get brand new tarot and oracle deck releases from Hay House for the price of like one deck. It's $30 something with shipping. It comes out to be a little under $40 or around $40. That might vary based on your location. I will link it down below. I'm not sure. Sometimes there's a waiting list depending on like when they have availability. So I'll just leave that, whatever I can find, either the direct link or the waiting list in the description. But I am super excited. I can't wait to see. I think I saw a preview of what decks are coming in here. I think they're all Oracle this time. But last time I got like the Grimalkin's Curious Cat Tarot and Signs of the... Wait, no, not that one. What else? The Sacred Medicine Oracle and the Crystal Ball Pocket Oracle, and I loved all of them. Still love all of them. So yeah, I think we have Rebecca Campbell and Danielle Noel in here. We'll see. Let's get it open. How are you guys doing? Just doing an overhead video today. Well, obviously because I'm taking a close look at the cards. Like last time, I'll do deck flip throughs on my tarot channel, Kitty Rising, which I'll link down below if you guys haven't checked it out. If you like stuff like this, please check it out and subscribe if you enjoy tarot readings and all that. So let's see what. This is the only time I get to live today. I choose to enjoy it. Oh, I love that. And then on the back, here are the decks we get. So there's two, and then they call one a bonus gift. Okay, so a note from the editors. Warm greetings to you. Your new Card Deck Club subscription box has arrived. And this season, it's a celebration of healing, self-love, and spiritual guidance to help you live your very best life. Inside, you'll find three brand new decks, including 2 exclusive early releases, one of which is a new pocket-sized edition of our very own Louise Hay, who we know would have loved the Card Deck Club. Oh, I love Louise Hay. I'm so excited. Oh my God. So one of these decks just came out, and the other ones don't come out until June 27th. That is so cool. And I was right. Look at Rebecca Campbell. So it's not Danielle Noel, but okay. Let's start with this one, the one on top. So it looks like the Starseed Oracle I have. It has the same shape box, but Rebecca Campbell artwork by Katie Louise. The Healing Waters Oracle, a 44-card deck and guidebook. I want to read Rebecca Campbell's books. I haven't, but I do like her work from what I've seen online and the other deck. So Rebecca Campbell is a writer, mystic, artist, ritualist, and mother. She's the founder of the Inner Temple Mystery School training, and her creations are dedicated to weaving the sacred back into everyday life. Katie Louise is an intuitive spiritual artist whose visions of the cosmos celebrate all that's pure and beautiful in our universe. She draws inspiration from the magic that surrounds us daily. I'm so excited, you guys. So this is a retail value of $24.99 US or $33.99 Canadian dollar. So this pays for most of the box. From the watery world of the mother to the sacred waters of this world, the physical and mystical element of water has been revered since ancient times, is holding the power to heal. Unlock the sacred wisdom of the waters and your innate capacity to heal with the stunning oracle. I'm so excited. I have such a connection to water. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let me get the plastic off this and we can look at some again. I'll do a full walkthrough on Kitty Rising. I'm not sure they'll be up at the exact same time because I already have a video scheduled for there today. Maybe I'll just release both of these around. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Oh, I love this. Oh, let's see what it says here. The healing waters are within you. Isn't this cool? I really like it. It says it on the bottom too. And then unlock the sacred mysteries of the water. So we have a guidebook here. Look at this. This is a full color guidebook. And this is what the back looks like. So beautiful. I love this. So again, this comes out June 27th, 2023. So I will link all the Amazon links down below, along with the Card Deck Club by Hay House link. Because I know a lot of times you can order ahead of time on Amazon and get it like on the release date, or sometimes they even give it to you earlier. But I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, Oh, there's a little note here. The Healing Waters Oracle Attunement. On the back of this card, you will find the Healing Water Attunement Altar card. You can use the attunement to ritually connect with your oracle and the waters within, around, and above and below you each time you use it. You can do this attunement to activate your oracle before you first use it, or you could choose to do it several times as called to deepen your connection with the oracle. You can find a free visual and audio ritual version of the attunement to activate your oracle at RebeccaCampbell.com or RebeccaCampbell.me/healingwaters. Ooh, I might do that. And then here it is, the attunement. Oh my gosh, let's go through a few of these. Atlantis. Keep the big vision. Stay in alignment as you grow. Beneath the surface. What's really driving you? True motives. Breaking free. Oh, I'm so excited to go through all these. Oh. Don't hold back. These are so beautiful. My favorite card in the Starseed Oracle is like Venusian energy one or something, and it kind of has colors like this. I love it. This is awesome. So yeah, I'll do a full flip through. I'll probably film that right after this one. So if it's not up at the same time, it will be up within the next few days. I have family in town. Like my mom's been in town and her friends, and now my dad and my brother are coming into town tomorrow. And I was just on vacation. I'm like, on vacation, well, it's hard to keep up with everything, but it's super fun and exciting. So that was the first deck, you guys. I am so excited to dive deeper into this. I love water energy. I love the other decks and the other work I've seen by Rebecca Campbell. So super pumped to go through this. Definitely will be the first one I do. I mean, I know we haven't even looked at the other decks yet, but I think this will be the one I do first on Kitty Rising. I do mostly tarot pick-a cards over there and zodiac readings, but I also do like deck flip-throughs and first impressions as well, and there'll be more astrology content coming as well. I try and like incorporate that into my readings, but I'll probably start to do separate astrology videos as well once I'm done with my program. It's kind of do it all, but we'll get there. Okay, let's now look at the next deck, the Healing Spirits Oracle by Gordon Smith, artwork by Naomi Walker. This is a 48-card deck and guidebook. This is $22.99, and this one just came out on June 6th. Whether you're looking for solutions to the deeper mysteries of your life, protection from fears, helping with healing, or finding your true purpose, the Healing Spirits Oracle is a perfect tool for finding guidance, spiritual awareness, and healing on many levels. Call on the high-frequency wisdom of the spirits and open yourself to the incredible and loving world beyond. So, Gordon Smith is an internationally renowned medium, spiritual teacher, and best-selling author, and Naomi Walker is an acrylic artist known for her astrally inspired images. Ooh, I'm excited. Let me get the plastic off here. Okay, can I get it? Hi, Emmy. Emmy's right below me. You're such a good girl. She loves the sound of like opening things. Like, plasticky sound. Okay. So this is a 2-piece box. The top it says, to all who use these cards, reach out with your heart and mind to the highest and best in the spirit world. Ask them to bless and give healing to all readings you give to yourself and others on the path. Oh, I like that. Here is our guidebook. Looks like a black and white guidebook, over 100 pages, very nice. And by the way, when I do my deck flip throughs, I do a collective reading at the end, and we do look at and see what it's like in here. The guidebook, we read that, and also get my own interpretation, but here's the other side. This is what the back looks like. I'm loving all the blues and greens. And then let's look at a few. The first step is taken. You have asked for help. Oh, and there are numbers in the corner there. Endurance is the key to success. Inner space and universal knowledge. Wow. There's a lot of like open space here and the words are on the bottom. I love this. Look, it goes from like the blues, purples, and then it seems like it ends with all these reds. Speak your truth with passion. Oh, is it about passion? The light in you can lead the way. Carry the torch for others to see. Wake up the world. I bet this will be a really great addition to readings. Your path may be bumpy, but this will alter soon. Trust in the wise spirits and your prayers will be answered. So beautiful. It's something about the art and stuff is healing. Nice. So that was the Healing Spirits Oracle. Look at that. Green. It is healing just to look at. It's soothing in a way, you know. But yeah, stay tuned for a full deck flip through on my other channel, Kitty Rising. Sorry, I feel like I'm being really repetitive. You know, we have one more to look at. This is the mini deck, right? Is that what they said? This is an early release too by Louise Hayes. She's the founder of Hay House. I'm sure you guys know that, but just in case. Affirmations for self-esteem. Ooh, I could use this. A 12 card deck for loving yourself. I love that we get little decks. So the last time we got a little deck was this, Crystal Ball Pocket Oracle 13 card deck. And I was like, wow, that's small, but I actually really like it. Originally published in 2003, this newly repackaged card deck featuring 12 powerful affirmation cards is designed to assist you in knowing you're perfect, whole, and complete. Oh my god, I almost said that. You're perfect, whole, and complete. Is that like my internal shadow side coming out? Post these cards in your home, workplace, car, or give them to friends or family. They're sure to give you an enhanced sense of joy, power, and contentment. This is $9.99 US dollars or $12.99 Canadian. And we can go through all of these here. So, yeah. From Hay House founder and internationally beloved teacher Louise Hayes. I love that. These affirmation cards are here to help you build and maintain your self-esteem. I think we all can use some help in that sometimes, right? One of my favorite affirmations is from her. I like adapted. She's all in her book, You Can Heal Your Life. She talks a lot about, which I highly recommend, how a lot of our problems, like everyone, it all boils down to like self-worth and stuff like that, and not accepting ourselves. So I always like to say every day, I accept myself, I love myself, I am worthy. And I got that from her, and it really helps. Oh, Emmy's playing in the background if you hear that. Oh, I like that. It does not matter what other people say or do. What matters is what I choose to believe about myself. How pretty is this? And on the bottom it says, I love myself exactly as I am. This is so bright and fun. Oh, there's a little note here. Dear friends, I've written these cards as a way to help you create self-esteem in your life. It does not matter what other people say or do. What matters is how I choose to react and what I choose to believe about myself. This is the most powerful affirmation you can ever say, and it's just one of many in this card deck designed to assist you in knowing that you're perfect, whole, and complete right here, right now. Our thoughts create our future. When we think we're not good enough, we give away our power, being willing to see life in a new and different way by beginning each day with positive affirmation. Emmy, what's wrong? Choose a card each morning and it will be your life-affirming message for the day. I love that. Oh, and here's Louise. So I think they're double-sided, so it's really like having 24. I am totally adequate for all situations. I choose to feel good about myself. I am worthy of my own love. I stand on my own 2 feet. I accept and use my own power. It is safe for me to speak up for myself. It does not matter what other people say or do. What matters is how I choose to react and what I choose to believe about myself. I take a deep breath and allow myself to relax. My whole body calms down. I am loved and accepted exactly as I am, right here and right now. I see the world through the eyes of love and acceptance. All is well in my world. Oh yeah, that rhymes there. My self-esteem is high because I honor who I am. I willingly release any need for struggle or suffering. I deserve all that is good. My life gets more fabulous every day. I look forward to what each new hour brings. I am a radiant being enjoying life to the fullest. I am neither too little nor too much, and I do not have to prove myself to anyone. Today, no person, place, or thing can irritate or annoy me. I choose to be at peace. Every problem that I may create, I am confident that I can find a solution. Life supports me in every possible way. My consciousness is filled with healthy, positive, loving thoughts that reflect themselves in my experience. I move through life knowing that I am safe, divinely protected, and guided. I accept others as they are, and they, in turn, accept me. I think this might be my favorite looking card. I am wonderful, and I feel great. I am grateful for my life. This is the only time I get to live today. I choose to enjoy it. I have the self-esteem, power, and confidence to move forward in my life with ease. The greatest gift I can give myself is unconditional love. I love myself exactly as I am. I no longer wait to be perfect in order to love myself. I love this. I love affirmations so much. I really do think they help. And from what I've heard, there's like science behind it and everything too. And these are so like bright and fun. I think this will be a great day, a great way to start the day. I mean, so cute. Yay, you guys, I love getting tarot subscriptions or Oracle so much. So yeah, super happy with this. So what is the total value here? We had like $25 plus 23 plus 10, right? So 33 plus 25 is like $58. Yeah, so you definitely save some money. I think I'm the most excited about the healing waters, but I like all of them. So yeah, super excited. I'm gonna do a walkthrough of these. We did all of this one, so stay tuned. Links below. Let me know your thoughts. I love you guys so much. I'm honestly so grateful for each and every one of you. You mean the world to me. I hope you are well. Let me know how you're doing. And if you're new here, welcome. Welcome back to everyone else, of course, too. I love you guys. I love all of you, even the new ones. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself. You deserve it. I love you, and I will see you super soon. Bye.